is going on, guys? It's Justin in front of J Media, back with another video. So I just want to give you guys a little update. If you guys have been watching the videos for a while, you would have known that about a year back I moved to a new house and really good garage, 2-car garage. From previously I was staying at a townhome with just a carport. So right now I moved again. This is going to be a temporary spot that I'll be living at, and you might be able to see a car behind me. So this is a 2-car garage. I'm currently staying at my girl's family's place. We are saving up for our own house, but as you can tell, there's only one car here in the garage, which is my FG2 Civic Si. This is a 2-car garage, so you can see plenty of space. I had to put all my stuff over here. I have some stuff in the guest room as well. So we're gonna try to clear out some space over here so we can fit 2 cars. My toolbox and everything fits perfectly here. So yeah, as of right now we just have the Civic Si. The DC5 RSX is still at my old place at the old garage, and the turbo built, my Mitsubishi Lancer, is still at Long's shop. So right now all 3 cars are in the garage. FG2 is at the new spot. The RSX is at the old garage spot. I have about a few more days left there, and then we also have my Mitsubishi Lancer built at Long's shop. So once that is done, I'll be having the Turbo Lancer sitting in the garage with the Civic Si. Sadly, the RSX would have to be outside. But yeah, just want to give you guys a quick little update. So if you guys are wondering why is my background different, why the garage look different, that's because I just recently moved. And if you guys been watching my videos, just recently picked up the Civic Si. So car does have some modifications done to it, but on the outside it's pretty stock-ish looking, really OEM. From this angle, I wonder if you guys see something missing, and that brings me to the first thing today, which is first modification done to the Civic Si. So well, I've kind of messed with some stuff already. I put on this wide angle mirror over here. I love Broadway mirrors. Every car that I have, I like to upgrade to a huge wide angle Broadway mirror just because it's so much better. You see so much stuff out the back. Previously it was on my EK Civic. I transferred it over. And then over here, I haven't put it on yet, but also got some LED bulbs. The headlights are already LEDs, but these LED bulbs I found when packing, and they should go right on the back for the license plate lights. So I'll have to fit these on at some point. But that's actually not the first few mods I got. Right after I got the Civic Si, I did purchase mods. I want to say, I think the same day or the very next day. So I'm pretty excited. That came in the mail. I bought 2 stuff. One of it is already here. So again, a few minutes ago I asked you guys if you guys see anything missing. If you guys guessed it right, it's this thing right here. So yeah, 2 holes, no Honda badge. I know some people like to do a delete, but I personally do not like the 2 holes. And if I want to match the front has the red Honda badge. So if you guys didn't know, the Civic Type R has a red Honda badge. The stock Honda emblem is just a regular H in silver, in chrome. So previous owner put it to a red emblem, both the SI and the Honda badge in red, which I really like. I might go on a white and red theme on this car. So I also ordered another red Honda badge for the rear. That's the very first mod that will be going on. It does come in a few different sizes, so I had to make sure that I got the right size so that it fits on the rear. So let's go ahead and test it to make sure this works. Alright, so here she is. Little clear packaging to protect the emblem. Some 3M tape on the back, so that's how it's going to go on, by 3M tape. Also have these 2 little holes. So if you look a little closer, yeah, I'm not sure if I want to keep this. I was reading in the forums, and so it does come with 2 holes here. We'll see how that fits. If it fits good, I might leave the holes. Otherwise, I might just chop off the holes, just cut it off, and just put it right over. I don't think the holes can be utilized. Let me show you guys why. Okay, so if you see the two stock holes, this badge doesn't quite fit on it. I'm not sure if you guys can see. It doesn't quite line up. If I flip it around, then I could make it work, but then my Honda emblem is going to be upside down. Definitely don't want that. So yeah, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut off these little two holes, and the test fit looks pretty spot on. So yeah, that's how she's going to sit. So I do need a little modification to chop off these holes. Like I said, I'm not sure, is it because the OEM one sits flush? I'm just not sure, or maybe just I ordered the wrong size by accident, but I'll just chop these off. Shouldn't be that difficult. So just like that, managed to trim off the two little pieces here, make sure they're flat so it wouldn't scratch my car. Funny, I actually used a nail clipper to do it. I was trying to use the scissors at first, that didn't do too well, and then I was trying to use like an angle grinder. For sure you'll take it off. The only issue was I didn't really have a clamp to clamp it in place while I grinded it down. So yeah, nail clipper actually did the trick. So now that it's flush, all I have to do is take off this 3M tape, light it up, and it should fit right like that. Ooh, looking good. And before I stick it on, I want to make sure my surface area is clean. I already washed on the car a couple days ago, but just want to make sure. So I haven't quite unpacked all my stuff yet. Let me see what I have here that I could use. Cool, so I have some waterless wax here. And all my microfiber towels are organized here. I'm just going to grab one of them. So just spray it down surface area. Just wipe it down. Okay, got it clean. And now she's ready to be put on. So there we have it. We have the Honda badge on. So what do you guys think? Does it look good? I think it really sets it off a little bit more. If you guys are wondering why is there no Honda badge and why is there no Civic or Civic Si emblem, it's because the entire car was repainted just recently. So before I bought the car, Long actually painted the whole car for me, so that's great. At that point of time, I didn't know I was buying the car. Car has been sitting for about 2 years. But yeah, what do you guys think? Nice or not so nice? Do you guys like the first mod? With every car build, you always start small, you always start with the cheaper stuff. Besides that, we also have the front that's already in the red Honda emblem. And then in the interior, we also have steering wheel that has it. So yeah, just missing the rear. I also ordered another thing which I was telling you guys about, which was my key fob. So my key fob has the Honda emblem in silver. I'm gonna take that off, replace the red Honda emblem. Let me know if you guys like it. Another thing that I've been contemplating to put, I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna do it yet, is possibly a new shift knob. So this is the OEM Honda shift knob. So it's a 6-speed shifter. You know, since I'm not the owner, after a while it gets a little crusty. I'm not sure if I want to switch it out to something else. And it was just recently my birthday. So my girl got me a birthday gift. She was asking me what I wanted. This was something that I've been thinking of doing for a while. So if you guys have been watching my vlogs for quite a bit, you would know that on my show car build, my Mitsubishi Lancer GT, I do have a katana sword shifter. I had that for a couple years. I was thinking of switching it up to something different. So I was thinking either titanium stuff or carbon fiber stuff for the shift knob. I have a lot of titanium in the engine bay, so I was like, maybe I should go titanium. But I also do love carbon fiber and a lot of carbon fiber in the car. So it's like one or the other or both. So for my birthday, my girl picked me up this titanium shift knob. So really beautiful. This is from Chasing J's, a company from California. Weighted shift knob, heavy and looks great. Has the Chasing J's logo embossed here, so really good. I also ordered myself a carbon fiber Varus shift knob, which should be here shortly. There's also a shift knob that I really want, but I'm like, my girl just got me a shift knob. I just got myself one. Should I spend money on the third one? I'm like, not really. But ARC, if you guys know JDM parts, you know ARC or ARC. I have their intercooler, their intake box, and their blow valve pipe. So I was like, they do make a titanium shift knob. I was like, should I go for it? It is pretty expensive, so I decided not to get it for now, maybe next time. But the reason I brought up the shift knob was because, do you guys think I should put in this Chasing J's common titanium shift knob in the SI to replace the OEM one? What do you guys think? OEM shift knob or titanium shift knob? I think what I'll do is, like I said, I'm not too sure what I want this car to be yet. I'm not sure if I want to have the SI replace my RSX as the daily or keep the RSX as the daily, and you know, have the SI as a fun cruiser car. So I'm not sure. I'm still trying to work things out. Like I said, a lot has happened in the past few months. I moved, got a new car, the Civic Si. That was super unexpected. If you guys know me, I don't know, this car was never really on the radar, but it was just really clean and I got a great deal on it, low miles. So I was like, you know, why not jump on it? There's one car I really want to do, and OG subscribers will know what car that is. I really want to get it. It's been 1 or 2 years now that I've been talking about me wanting to get it, but I just don't think it's the right time for it yet. Reason being, that car I want to build into a full-blown, you know, project car, show car, no, not show car, project car and track car. So I'm really excited, but at the same time, I don't think I'm ready for that step yet. I'm starting to save up for a house, and then maybe we'll get that next. But yeah, unexpected pickup on the FG2 Civic Si. If you guys like the Civic Si so far, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Car is pretty good, and I didn't know, but I think it's actually tuned as well, so probably a Honda tune. It is quicker than a stock Civic Si with some of the modifications done to it. I think I might hold off on the shift knob for now. I'll just wait for the Varus carbon fiber shift knob to arrive, and then I'll compare. We'll see whether I like this titanium Chasing J shift knob on my Mitsubishi build more or the Varus one. And then if I use the carbon fiber on the Mitsubishi build, then I can leave this titanium one maybe for the SI. And if you guys stay to the really end, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Again, if you're excited for the new Civic Si build, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you know when new videos are out. And again, very first mod is the Honda Red badge. Hope you guys like it. Simple little addition, but I think it makes the rear end complete. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.